Let me ask you something. How was your experience being on a trek with your kid for the very first time? Spoiler alert, for me, it was really nice, and my kid, he really enjoyed being there, especially when the surroundings are that nice. So we are here at Solang Valley right now, and we are planning for a trek to Anjani Mahadev. I'll just show you around. And this will be my son's first trek. And that temple is around 2 kilometers from here. I think we will go up there. And if you see all around, the view is totally awesome. हमें सही डायरेक्शन में जाऊँ तो बड़ा एक ना करे अब ये जाओ even actually we don't know, I mean, where to reach. Google ले देखो जो ना कोटा, but the good news is you have like all the internet connections over here, so you can take help from Google Map itself. Guru, are you enjoying?
Yes, this is very fun. We're trekking the first time.
Okay.
We have not reached yet, but we are going.
Yes.
We are going with walking.
Yeah. Look at that view. I'll just show you guys.
Look, this is very fun.
Look at the view behind us.
And see this. And we are talking Odia here. And we are taking.
Yeah, this road is a little bit bumpy, but we are able to manage that.
This road is very bumpy.
Say hi. चलो मिलते हैं आगे.
ये हमारा घोड़ा है और वो हमारी घोड़ी.
और पार्टी किधर है? Great. I think one thing is very clear. If you are going in a trek, what I believe is that the destination is not important. The journey is what it is, and the nature, the surroundings, the trees, the clouds, mountains, snows, those actually inspire you to reach to the top of the mountain. I mean, wherever you are going, it's all about motivation and willpower. फिलहाल ये दोनों मेरे पास है, बट अभी फिटनेस की थोड़ी कमी है, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है. Just after 1 kilometer, you can find one spot for your Maggie and stuff. So if you get hungry, then this is the place. हाँ, तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है कि यहाँ पे विंटर में भी लोग आते हैं क्या ट्रैक करने के लिए? अच्छा, फिर विंटर में ये तो पूरा बर्फ से ढक गया होगा, कैसा रहता है?
होता है, कम होता है, मतलब गाड़ी से हटा देती है.
अच्छा, ये भी क्लीन करते हैं क्या गाड़ी? ओके. तो आप कहाँ से, नीचे से आते हैं इधर?
मनाली से.
अच्छा, मनाली से. फिर आपकी गाड़ी वगैरह उधर रहती है?
बस से आते हैं.
इतना सब सामान लेके? इतना कैसे लेके, इधर कैसे लेके आते हैं? It's just started drizzling. I hope it will not rain. Otherwise my camera and other guests will get wet. My son, he is more concerned about my camera and he's telling me to go back. Yeah, we'll find some rain shelter over here. We are about to go to that stream over here, and just below that the temple is there, but I think we chose a wrong path. We have to turn around and take some new one. Let's see. Just look at the view. Har Har Mahadev! We have finally arrived here. My legs are freezing up. It's so cold out here. Just near to the main temple. Here there is one ashram. I think it's Kailas Darbar. So we'll just go in and check what is there to see. Photography was not allowed inside the ashram, so I did not take any clips. So we just finished our trek.
Not finished yet, yeah.
Not finished means, yeah, we are just going down, but we achieved our goal to reach the temple and see that. What is that? Sibling. Come. It's only, I think, 2 kilometers up and 2 kilometers down, right?
Yes.
Total 4 kilometers, but still it is totally worth it. Whenever you come to Solang Valley or Manali, you should try it. Even the kids are also able to do it, so it's not that tough of a trek. Okay then guys, so I'll just stop recording over here. I cannot carry this gorilla pod and camera at a time. My hands are actually started aching. Then I'll see you in the next one. Then bye bye, take care, and take care of the nature.